management training for medical technologists and encourage and stimulate entrepreneurial efforts by pathologists. In conclusion, I would like to thank you, together with my family, my community, in fact, with the rest of our nation, for your distinct service to the Philippine public, although you are frequently unnoticed or ignored. I would like to say, for the record, that if I will be of service by filing the proper bill in the Senate, I will be happy to work on any draft that you might submit to me. Thank you very much for your unheralded services to our community. But don't worry, because whatever you put into life, that is what you will take out of life. That is the signal in this poem called Life's Mirror. And I would like to read it to you, because it is a tribute to people like ourselves. There are loyal hearts, there are spirits brave, there are souls that are pure and true. Then give to the world the best you have, and the best will come back to you. Give love, and love to your life will flow, a strength in your utmost need. Have faith, and a score of hearts will show their faith in your work and deed. Give truth, and your gift will be paid in kind, and honor with honor meet. And the smile which is sweet will surely find a smile that is just as sweet. Give sorrow and pity to those who mourn. You will gather in flowers again, the scattered seeds from your thought outborn, though the sowing seemed but vain. For life is the mirror of king and slave. 'Tis just what we are and do. Then give to the world the best you have, and the best will come back to you. Thank you.